Hello YouTube! In this tutorial, objective will be to learn how to concatenate already existing arrays, groups of elements, into new array. So we need to have at least two arrays, already existing ones. So old PL stands for old programming languages, new array, and let's populate it with COBOL and Fortran. And what else we have here? Algol. I think that's cool. So var new programming languages, that will be new array with something fancy like Rust and Python and Go, right? So here is situation. If you want to create new stuff, new array, and immediately concatenate these things into that new array, you will proceed like this. Var all, for example, programming languages equals, and now here's the thing. You need to state first array, like base. So old PL, and then dot, and then we are going to call method or function dedicated for concatenation. In JavaScript case, that is concat. Okay, so that's covered in JavaScript stone. That's the part of programming language. And in some other programming languages, you have different terms, different names, but it is important to note that in all modern languages, you can do this really easy. Right, so where I was. Okay, so this is the base, old programming languages, and we will on top of that add new programming languages. So new PL, and that's pretty much it. So let's print everything from this new creation. So we're like architect of universe, like in Matrix movie. Right, so sorry. Document.write everything in all PL, and that's pretty much it. So now here we will have all these things in specific order. See, COBOL, Fortran and Algol, that's from first one. So the order of positions is respected, and then after that in a respected order we have Rust, Python and Go. So nothing changed there. Well, at least index wise. So that basically means that we can use stable indexes, like at position 0 we will have COBOL, and at position 5 we will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will have Go. So let me save this, and there you go. So can we couple of time run this? Will something change? Like will that thing change position wise? Is there any randomness here? Like every time when you run this script, this page, will something be different? Well, pretty much no. You will always get the COBOL as a programming language at the 0 position. Right, so that's maybe something you need to know. Right, so that's pretty much it. As always, thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.